Welcome to PaidToday, how to create a navbar template wrapper. We've just created this page set and we've created a home page and a booking page for it. Go ahead and click on your website builder here on the tab, and then we're going to go ahead and edit this page set again, this website. And from here we can see the home and the booking page that we've created. So now what we want to do is we want to create one navigation bar that will work on both these pages, because we don't want to have to recreate that for every single page. If you have a large website with a lot of pages and things like that, you definitely don't want to have to recreate stuff if you don't have to. So for this instance, we're going to go ahead and click Add New Page or Wrapper here, and on this one we're going to call navbar dash footer, and for this page type we're going to click template, and live is fine. We'll go ahead and click page, and then once we're looking at our page settings here, which is fine, we want to go ahead and open up the visual editor. So on the top right, click visual editor. We'll go ahead and delete that text. Just click on it and hit the delete key. In the top right on your blocks here, where all the stuff, pre-made stuff is, we just want to scroll down and find pages, and we want to go ahead and use this top left one. This is a navbar and a footer all set up, ready to go. Now this is the navigation bar on top, and this is the footer here. This piece of content code right here, this is what tells the system where to put your other pages. So all of our other pages that we've created will generate inside where you place this code right here. So if I was to put this down here, the navigation bar and the footer would be above our page content. That's not what we want. We want the nav bar on top of the pages that we've created, and we want the footer below it. So once we've got that, that's fine. Just go ahead and drag that in, and you can go through and modify these links. That's more advanced tutorials for those kinds of things. Pretty easy. You just click on it and then change which href link you want it to go to. What's the URL for it? Let's go ahead and save this, and then we're going to go back to our page set. And here we can see we now have a wrapper template. This is our navbar footer, and we can see here this wrapper is not applied to these pages. Otherwise it would show up here. So that's what we got to do now. So all we do for that is click on this cog here for the home page. This is the access the settings, and we can use right here under wrapper template. Select the wrapper template for this page. We want to click on that, and we can see that our template that we've created shows up here on this drop down. So all we got to do is click on that one. We'll click save, and then we'll go ahead and add it to the other page as well. So back to our page set, and we can see the wrapper is now applied to our home page, and then we'll go ahead and put it on the booking page as well. Navbar footer, save it. And then let's go ahead and take a preview of our website. So we'll go ahead and click preview again. And now we can see that we have a navbar on top of the page. And if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, we can also see that we have our footer here. And if we go to the booking page, we'll click that, and we can see that the navbar and the footer also persist across both pages. But we only created it once, so that's perfect. It's working exactly how we wanted it.